Hey everyone, today I want to talk to developers who are using AI tools. Cursor, Claude Code, Codex, GitHub Copilot, whatever you are using. I just want to make one thing crystal clear here. Your job is not let the AI write code. Your job is to stay in control of the change. Yes, AI coding tools are really good now. Like you can just literally say, authentication, fix this error, and it will do something, right? It will do something and it will fix the problem, it will fix that error. That's great. But here is the problem. In a real company, with a real repo, with real viewers, you can't just paste a bunch of AI generated code without understanding it. You cannot just say that is the output of the model. You are accountable. You are responsible. So that is what we will talk about in this video. We will talk about how you stay on top of the changes while using AI, and I will introduce you the SCORE framework. Hi, I am Necati, a computer scientist with 20 years of experience, and I share my experiences and thoughts on this channel. I want to introduce SCORE framework for you. As I said, the goal is not just to ask AI what you want. It is also understanding what it does. So what is the correct way of doing this? How you should change your mindset to do this? I think we can use this framework, which I call SCORE, to handle this problem. So you basically talk with AI tools by using these 5 items. First, you explain what you want. What is your specific goal? I think that is the most easiest one, because you already know what you want, so I don't think it will be a problem. Now, the most important part is the context part here, because once you explain your problem, you don't want AI tools just go and change everything. Or I am sure if you are using AI tools regularly, I am sure you experience this. You ask a question and it starts changing 100 random things. So you need to know the context and tell AI what to change, where is it. You don't need to pinpoint exactly a deadline maybe, but if you know, that's better. But if you don't know, at least explain where is it, which file, which module. Try to give the context to it. And then the other important part is the output format. What you want? You want to just see the diff, change the you want to see the changes? Do you want it to change the whole code? Do you need some notes? For example, I always also, not always, but most of the time I always ask, most of the time, not always, most of the time I ask for that .md file, so I can see what's going on, I can understand, I can compare. So MD file output is also a good explanation of what it did. And another important part is rules. What kind of rules you have? What are the constraints? Okay, what are limit, style, security? Is there anything AI need to know before jumping into coding about security? Maybe you have some kind of authentication that it needs to understand, because you don't forget, you are also providing the context. And again, I want to repeat this again. Can it understand without you giving it the details? The answer is yes. But we are talking about using AI tools for developers, okay? So this is a guide for developers to use AI tools. And finally, evaluation. So that is also one of the most important parts, I believe, because AI is not good at evaluating the results. So how it will evaluate the results of your code? That is also very important. I mean, I am sure you experienced this. It generates code, it even does not compile, okay? npm run build does not work, or Python linting checks does not pass. So even that can be your evaluation. That can be something that you can prompt AI so it can use these evaluation techniques to understand if it started writing the code properly. So yeah, I wanted to explain this framework, and if you are an experienced developer, you should not just ask AI to do something. You should stay on top of the changes so you can defend what's going on. You cannot just say, this is what AI did. Always provide the goal, give the context, what kind of output you want, what are the rules, and how will AI evaluate the final result. Thank you guys. See you.